Everything in Kalgoorlie is big. Big machines, big mines, and for a young Ian Campbell, big dreams.
My father was chief geologist of Western Mining, so I was brought up in Kalgoorlie and I was intrigued by the type of work that he did, and that was what I always wanted to do from the age of about 12.
And sure enough, he too became a geologist at Western Mining. While there, he discovered the Juan Shoot, at the time the largest and richest in the region. Since then, he's dedicated his life to research.
Well, the mining companies eventually use some of the techniques that we develop in their exploration. So the type of research that we do is mostly long-term, so the effects of it aren't always obvious, or the implications of it aren't always obvious, and it often takes some time for mining companies to appreciate the significance of the work.
Much of the work has been very significant. Professor Campbell is internationally recognised for improving our understanding of ore deposits.
I think that if you look at ore deposits themselves and study the ore deposits and describe them, you're not going to learn how the ore deposit formed.
So instead, his team focuses on the rocks that host the deposits, trying to discover what rocks, under what conditions, cause ore deposits to form.
The most interesting problems in science are the ones where the answer doesn't hit you in the face.
It's slow work, but important for the future of Australia.
If it wasn't for our mining, we would be a very poor country, and so few Australians recognise that.
Professor Campbell has been awarded the Haddon Forrester King Medal for lifelong contribution to science.